couple of main ways TipHaus can link up to your accounts. The first way is by selecting Instant and by choosing your bank. You'll need your login details for your bank, your username and password. The second way we can link your account with TipHaus is with your routing and account numbers. In this case, you would be asked to provide your routing number and account number directly to Plaid during the account connection process. Plaid will then either verify your account details immediately or send microdeposits to your account for manual verification, which could take 1 to 2 business days. If you're prompted to manually verify a code for your microdeposit within TipHaus, here's what we recommend. 1. Log in to your online banking account via their app or website. 2. Locate the 1-cent deposit that was made into the account that you provided details for previously. 3. Click into this deposit or transaction to view the details. The deposit should come through with a description. This description should show a 3-letter code, TipHaus, and account verify. Once you've located the 3-letter code in the description of the 1-cent deposit, copy the code or write it down for quick access later. Back in Plaid, you should be prompted to paste or type in the 3-letter code you found earlier in your bank accounts to complete the connection process.